Hello my friends, in this video I will be showing you how to load and unload film from the Minolta SRT101 film camera. So to load film, like in many other Minolta cameras, you raise this lever, you pull up and up again to open up the back doors. When you got the back doors open, you load your film canister upside down just like that. And you can lock it right away in place so it doesn't run away. You pull the film across. And you lock it into the spool here just like that. And you can always double check that it starts spooling. When you lock it in like this, as you notice here, you don't want to leave too much open, too much film sticking out here, because it will be turning the opposite way to pull it inside there. So when you lock it like this, you know that it's not going to pop out when you try cocking the shutter. It will be folding the film that helps it advance. So we close the doors and we advance the lever a few times. As you can see, this wheel over here will be turning as you advance the film. Just like that. And when you're done taking photos and you want to unload the film, you take out this lever here, and like in many other Minolta cameras, you press in this button. You just press it in and it stays in, and you spin this clockwise. And you keep spinning until you hear the film getting pulled out from the holder there. There we go. That was the film getting pulled out. So now we raise it up and higher. And you see, we got the film released. And it's ready for development. So that's how you load and unload the Minolta SRT101 camera. Thank you for watching my friends, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. That helps out the channel a lot. And please remember to subscribe so you don't miss out any of our amazing content about film photography, darkroom stuff, film development, film cameras, film camera repairs, and everything related. Thank you for watching and take care my friends.